The Repair and Calibration Lab can service any Acoem product. To submit a repair or calibration request, call our support specialist or visit the Acoem USA website. Then, pack up your unit and send us your tool via your preferred method of shipping. We recommend sending in your tools once a year for proper device maintenance. The ISO 17025 certification guarantees all aspects, including environmental temperature, humidity, and power, are precisely controlled in our laboratory, offering the highest level of quality. With an ISO 17025 accreditation, our results are repeatable, our calibrations are dependable, and our methods are reputable. Device calibration is held to a strict standard, ensuring optimal repeatability and functionality. As a part of our calibration services, replaceable batteries are exchanged and device firmware is updated. As your reliability partner, we're committed to minimizing downtime. Our repair and calibration lab services ensure your tools stay in your hands longer. At Acoem, your reliability is our reliability. To submit a repair or calibration request, visit us online at www.acoem.us/repairs and calibration.